Happy Easter, everybody. Welcome to Stoglebird. So today being Easter, and not really wanting to work, I did end up doing a little bit of lathe therapy. And as many of you know, this lathe has now been replaced with the new one that works much better, and I'm very happy with it. So inspired by that, I decided that, well, maybe I should have a little Easter egg hunt. Somewhere in my workshop, some eggs. Where could they be? You can see here, here's a nice turned leg on the bed I'm making. Oh, what's that in there? Is that it? This must be a Stoglebird egg. Imagine that. I'll put that in my pocket. Look around. Get a good look at the platform. The new bed I'm making. Miter saw station. Where would I find another egg? Maybe where they were made? Look, here's a new lathe. Dust collector. Oh, what's that there? There we go. There's another egg. Must be another Stoglebird egg here in the workshop. Where else could I be? Here's some nice color samples of stain. Doing up some test ones on the birch for the bed project over my shoulder. Where else could things be? Well, over here, we have a bunch of Stoglebird inventory. Lots of bowls and coasters, some trivets, especially some nice spalted maple trivets. A few lamps, barbecue cleaners, of course some fun projects. Oh, look at that. Did you see anything in here? Maybe on the egg holder, there's another Stoglebird egg. Well, I'd like to thank you for tuning in this long to see what happens in the Stoglebird workshop, especially with a few eggs floating around. And if you like what you see, please follow me, like, share, all that good stuff. Helps get me before more eyes for more clients, which is always a good thing. Have a happy Easter.